Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be styling my hair using Mielle Organics' new rice water collection. The two products that I'm going to be using in this video are the split-end therapy and the moisturizing milk. So let's start with smell. These products smell amazing. The scent does linger in your hair, but it smells so good, like unbelievable. So first up, the Rice Water Split-End Therapy. This lightweight product is designed to strengthen your hair against split ends. The ingredients such as rice water and yuzu both assist with nourishing the hair and works to prevent future damage. It is also light enough to be used daily. I love that this product comes with the dropper, which makes the application process so much easier. So I applied it starting at the ends of my hair and then I worked it all the way up to the roots. Next up, we have the Rice Water Moisturizing Milk, and this daily moisturizer is the perfect solution for bringing life back to dry and thirsty hair. It is infused with key ingredients such as safflower oil, rice water, yuzu, castor oil, and coconut oil to strengthen and lock in all of the moisture. Now, I was a bit surprised by the consistency of the milk. I was not expecting it to be as thick as it was, so I was pleasantly surprised by that. And this product is definitely moisturizing, so it definitely lives up to its name. So I'm just applying medium-sized 2-strand twist all over my hair using just the split-end therapy and the moisturizing milk from the Rice Water collection. And I'm going to let it dry throughout the day and then show you the takedown. So now my twists are all done. My hair feels so moisturized. I cannot wait till it dries to see the results. So here we are. My twists are dry. My hair is still so moisturized. And the definition, yeah, speaks for itself. These two products have given me bomb moisture and definition. You see it? Yep, you see it. So yes, you see it. Every single piece is perfectly defined. I'm shook. Yes. So let's get into this unraveling. We're gonna do a little fluffing, and then we're gonna rock this bomb twist out. As you can see from my face, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling this twist out. Definition, moisture, shine, yes, loving it. Mielle Organics, you did it. This moisture milk is definitely a must-have. Get you some. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in the next video.